Hello, Mark. I wanted to show you your fabulous NeXT monitor. It's 4000A, has the built-in speaker and microphone. And that flicker you're seeing is just a difference in resolution and refresh rate of my iPhone and the monitor. And so we can test sound. And let's see, if we go over to play. So I have it plugged into a set of powered speakers. And I'll check the internal speaker. It may just be unplugged, but we can record as well and playback, which is kind of cool. So
I want to welcome you to the next world.
I'm going to go ahead and pause this fantastic song. So if we do file new, it'll pop a new panel up and we can test it. Hello, test, 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 hello. And then we can play it back.
Hello, test, 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 hello.
And so we know that works. I dialed in your horizontal and vertical attributes and increased the brightness just a little bit. So it's looks like there's good life in the tube. Not bad for over 30 years old. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up some of the dust. I don't see any major dings or scratches. I'm gonna kind of run Armor All on this and then plan on shipping tomorrow. As I say, I think there may be an issue with the internal speaker. Sometimes students would get there, or just because of age, it's cracked underneath there. I'll take a look at that tonight, and then we'll get her shipped out to you. But yeah, the feet are in good condition, stands in good condition, minimal scratches. So hey, really appreciate your business and patience. I just wanted to show you this before I shipped. Have a good day.